Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinction panel, estimates academics, and fellow researchers. My name is Muhammad Zakwan Zaki, representing the research team from the Management Department, Faculty Economic and Business, Patimura University, Indonesia. I'm honored to present our people entitled Capital Adequacy or Corporate Responsibility, the effect of total risk-based capital ratio on environmental disclosure of Asian emerging banks. This is a collaborative work under the supervision of Dr. Johannes Darwin Borola, Mr. Simon Hendrik Liasa, and Mr. Nur Asda. Allow me to guide you through our research. This motivation for this study arises from the three convergent pressure. First, bank across emerging Asia face mounting pressure to embed ESG practice as a global regulation tightening and climate concern intensive. Second is unlike developing economics, ESG governance and reporting frameworks across many emerging Asian countries remain underdeveloped. Third is existing studies primarily rely on traditional profitability metrics as ROI and ROA, giving limited attention to operating profit margin as a determinant of environmental disclosure and the mediation role of TRBCR. Therefore, this study investigated the nonlinear effect of operation profit margin on environmental disclosure and examines the mediation role of TRBCR using panel data from 113 commercial banks and emerging Asia during 2009 to 2023. This study examines the nonlinear effect of operation profit margin on environmental disclosure, with TRBCR serving as mediating variable. A quantitative approach was employed using an unbalanced panel dataset and panel regression model. The sample consisted of 1,013 commercial banks across emerging Asian economies over the period 2009 to 2023, selected through a proper sampling based on reporting consistent and disclosure and data available. The data were analyzed using Stata 17, panel regression techniques, and the Sobel mediation test. Allow me to present our kind findings. The final sample comprised 113 commercial banks across 11 emerging Asian markets, yielding 1,995 bank year observation. Our regression research revealed that operating profit margin has a positive effect on TRBCR, while OPM square has a significant negative effect, confirming an inverted U-shaped relationship with coefficient of 3.854 and negative 0.564 respectively, and adjust R square of 0.651. For environmental disclosure, OPM show as a positive effect. OPM square and negative effect, and TRBCR are marginally significant negative effect at a beta equal negative 0.108 and P equals 0.077 with adjusted R square of 0.512. The Sobel test further indicate that TRBCR partially mediates the relationship with Z value of 1.380 and 1.373. The finding indicate an inverted U-shaped relationship where raising profitability initial restraints about capital adequacy and environmental disclosure, consistent with the research-based view. However, once profitability exceeds a certain threshold, this effect weakness as a bank redirect research toward growth dividends or short-term priority. The marginally significant negative relationship between TRBCR and the implemented disclosure support legitimacy theory, suggesting the banks facing a capital adequacy pressure may rely more heavily on TRBCR as a primary legitimacy signal, leaving heavier research for voluntary SG reporting. This is further reflected in the partial mediation role of TRBCR, what we term the ambidextrous role of capital education. The study extended RBF, legitimacy theory, and agency theory by demonstrating the ambidextrous role of TRBCR in linking profitability and environmental disclosure. We offer three implications. Regulators should integrate environmental disclosure incentive into banking performance frameworks. Bank managers shall allocate access profit to ESG reporting system, and researchers shall extend this framework to other emerging region and alternative capital measure. In conclusion, our study demonstrates that the relationship between operation income, capital education, and environmental disclosure is inherently non-linear. We extend our sincere gratitude to the International Conference Business Economy, Accounting, and Technology Commit and our supervisor for the invaluable contribution. I welcome your question and look forward to a productive scholarly discussion. Thank you for your keen attention.